I'm going to take a quick buy right now. This is the 15 minutes time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, a lot of profits has already been made. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my phone and close in half of that profit. I'll screen record it so you guys can see also. Done. Take profits of 3,900 right now, and I'm going to screen record it for you. So we'll close another half of this trade and let the trade continue to run. I see that it has been having issues continue to go up. There you go. Half of the trade closed $2,500 closed in profits. Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, this is the part 3 of this video. We started this account with $250 and we took a 15 lot trade so far, and we've taken $3,500 in profits, $2,500 in part profits. The market is still moving a bit slow. It has not reached my final target, but we are up over $4,000 on this trade. I'm just going to go on my phone and close this trade right now for you guys to see. There you go. Take profit. So in total, we closed, I would say almost $10,000 in one trade. We started this account with $250, okay? So far, we've made a total withdrawal of $25,000. This month, I'm going to make a large chunk of withdrawal. I'm going to make another $30,000 withdrawal. This was our last withdrawal, $15,000. In total, look at all that profit. We've made a profit of $90,000, okay? Let me just scroll down. Yeah, in total we made a profit of $90,000. And yeah, if you want to copy my trade, sign up in Mega Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350. Send me proof of that on Telegram. And if you want to test the software for free for 1 week, make sure you have at least $150. And sign up in Mega Markets, link in description below. It lets me know that you're serious about testing the software, and send me proof of that on Telegram. Also, I am planning on doing free daily signals in my VIP group. If you want to get normal signals, you can get it, but however, the free signals is not really guaranteed. We need 800 yes votes in my Telegram group. Make sure to join my free Telegram group, link in the description below, and vote yes. And if you have at least $100 ready to fund your account, and even if you lose that $100, I will refund you up to $300, okay? $300 of any loss you face, so you are not losing anything. You can even deposit a whole $300 and it's risk-free. If you lose it, I'll refund it back to you. All you have to do is join the free Telegram group and vote yes in the poll. And with that being said, we'll be right back once we have another trade in the market. Make sure this is your one opportunity to join me to grow your account like this. If you want to buy the course to learn how I do what I do, which is the most important thing, is hedging to save your account from any losses, go to hedgingmastermind.com and I teach with live trades. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to comment and click those notification bells on and join that free Telegram group, and we'll be right back soon. Hope you guys have a nice trading weekend.